The long nightmare is finally over as Spotify has quietly removed disco-ball-ified versions of the logo and restored the original 2D app icon for iPhone after a month. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Spotify's launched an update to the iOS app that switched the icon back to the well-known logo users are familiar with. With that, users said goodbye to the glowing green mirror ball icon for the Spotify app for Apple devices that introduced the second week of May. The disco ball icon for the Spotify iOS app was meant to be a fun celebration of its first 20 years, tied to the Spotify 20, your Party of the Year's mobile-only in-app experience that provides a look back at your music listening history, and it was always intended to be temporary. Some people had defended Spotify's disco ball as festive and fun and an example of a big company taking a creative risk with its well-known logo. But many Spotify users voiced their dislike for the new logo, with some complaining that the disco ball looked pixelated on a small phone screen and generally was visually displeasing. One user wrote on X, "The person who designed this logo should be fired." The official Spotify account responded to them by saying, "We know glitter is not for everyone. Our temp glow up ends soon. Your regularly scheduled Spotify icon returns next week. It took a little longer, but now the Spotify app is back to the way it used to look." The whole episode's a reminder to product designers everywhere that users can be extremely sensitive to the seemingly smallest changes, and Spotify clearly hadn't anticipated that a teeny tiny disco ball drop would prove to be unpopular. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.